can see there's a shitload of water in there. It's just everywhere. Alright, pull out these first. Paper towel is drenched.
Battery low.
That's fine. To get these words right. Let's take it to the sunlight so you can see how much water pours out of this thing. Still got it in view? I actually don't know how to get the last bit out. Probably need more paper towel. It's alright, I'll do that. Okay, thanks for recording, babe.